Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to farm YesCoin. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So first, what you want to do is you want to go to the Telegram, type in /start, and then you want to tap on play for airdrop. Once it has loaded up, these are some of the ways. Go to your build and then upgrade your multi-value, because amount value per coin plus 1 for each level. So mine is level 4, which means that I get 4 coins per swipe and not, for example, 1. YesPack is another great feature they have, because basically owning pet to help you get yes coins automatically. So you don't have to do anything, this pet will do everything for you. And it has 5 different levels. The first level costs 500k and every other level costs more. Another way is to upgrade your fill rate, because increase coin fill speed 1 second for each level. So this is basically, if you swipe fast, it's just going to regenerate much more yes coins. Another way is to get more of them, just click on earn at the bottom left, and then you have all of these things you can do to get a reward. So connecting your wallet, you get 500k, if you reach silver, you get 10k, if you join their channel, 100k, if you follow them on Twitter, that's another 100k, and etc. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.